Before you call a plumber, watch this video. All right, welcome back. So I know you're all wondering what I'm doing in this get up here. It's not really HVAC friendly unless you're going to some nasty crawl spaces with sewage and things of that nature. But this is going to be a little different video. We're going to try to go down a different road. I'm going to show you a little how we take care of issues at our rental properties from time to time. Today we're going to be dealing with a backed up main drain here. So we rented this here from Home Depot. This is going to be a power snake, power drain snake. Basically, as you can see, it's pretty stout. I think it's got the 5/8 line. These are the ones you want to use for dealing with the heavy duty stumps and things of that nature. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is get this thing set up. Pretty much got all kitted out, that way we're not getting any splash back on us, any types of offensive foul sewage and things of that nature. So what we're going to do here, we've got the spring head. This is spring loaded. Okay, we got a few attachments here. That right there is going to be for chewing up little small stumps and things like that. Let me show you exactly the issue here. So our problem is going to be upstream. Follow me here. So we've got a clog upstream here, and as you can see, there's a big, I'm not sure what kind of tree that is, but the root system's going all the way down through. So it actually breached the line there, the main drain, and the water's actually coming up above it here. So what we're going to try to do here is just get the roots up out of there, get it cleaned up, get it cleared out for now, and then I'm going to come back with the backhoe and dig that up and get it repaired properly. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so it's a 4-inch, looks to be 4-inch plumbing here, a 4-inch drain. This is the clean out. The only negative is, well, the positive thing is it's not a Y style clean out, it's actually just a T. So we're going to be able to go ahead and go in both directions. The negative is going to be that we're going upstream of the actual clog, which is not the end of the world. It's my first time messing with this kind of stuff, so we'll see what we get. So we got a couple of other tips here. It's going to be an extractor bit here. What this is going to do is whatever is caught up in there, this will coil around it, and we can put the thing in reverse and it'll pull that out of there. This is going to be probably the bit we want to use. That's going to be the saw bit. That's for sawing through roots and things like that. And then we've got this here arrowhead bit. That's just going to poke a hole in. What I might want to do is use this bit first to poke the hole in, let all the water that's backed up in there through, and then start extracting and cutting up that root. So let's see what we've got here. If you want to change the bit out, damn, no wonder. See, he's a liar. It's supposed to be a push fitting. They just threw a friggin' Phillips head screw in there, and that's why the bits keep getting lost. So yeah, that's not proper. This isn't right. So Home Depot is letting us down. They said that this should be some sort of quick connect fitting on this, and now we've just got a brass screw of some sort, which probably isn't going to hold very well. And I've got to now pull that out manually. I'm just going to put this down through. Yeah. Suit it up, put our mask on here, get our face. We don't really need the face shield just yet because it's nothing going to be really too active. All right, we want to get as close to it as possible. We're going up, so yeah. See how this does. Oh no. I don't know how I feel about that. Let's feed some out. So yeah, let's look at this. The other thing we want to look at, power. Ugh. Okay, so it's just a foot pump to get it going. Let's put this thing in forward just to let some out. Just gonna let a little bit out. That way we can get it started in the right direction. Then here we've got a reverse lever, and you don't want to use reverse. I'll show you that later, so let's go ahead and get it going.
That's one of those things that I'm really funny about sewage.
This is why you gotta suit up. You see, it's volatile. Get my hand down in there, it's foul. Foot pedal makes things really convenient. That way you can hold it while you're swift. This sucks. Put this thing in reverse. It sucks. It's like it's hitting a block. It is like a it's hitting the damn inlet of that PVC. Yeah, let's try this. I'm not really too confident with this. We'll see what happens. Foot buttons garbage. Try to push this up. So. So they need to They need to refund us this. This thing's not working.
Is it because this is being crushed?
Oh.
The air's not coming.
Oh, look at me. Hope so. That's amazing if that's the case. Oh, thank you. Look at that, Miss Morris. Oh. Damn it, man. I think it's just a pump. I think this is supposed to work better than this. Oh, okay. So that's the way you want to do it. I guess you're pumping the air. It's got some sort of pneumatic actuator. Uh-oh. We might be at the clog. So let's put this thing in neutral and try spinning it. What a tiring machine to use. All right, nothing. Let's try putting it forward. Okay, let's try putting it in neutral again. Nothing. Go ahead and put it forward. Okay, we're hitting something. Let's put it in neutral. Oh, look, look. It's flowing. Whoa, back. Whoa. Look at that rush. Wow. That's flowing crazy. Okay. Nice. Oh, look at that. Look, you can see the roots. So what I'm going to do, man, that thing is screaming. What I did is I put 2 gallons of bleach down there this morning. And what that's going to do, hopefully, make it so this water's not that offensive. I'm going to head upstream a bit more. Let's put that forward. You see it binding up, stop it and put it in neutral. You want to go run the bath in hot water? Put the bath on in hot water and flush the toilet. Please, thank you.
So leave the water on.
Yep, in the bath, yep.
Just leave it and let it go.
Yep.
And then what?
Flush the toilet. Yeah, as many times. So I'm still heading upstream. I mean, we got the clog. We got the obstruction. Let's cut that neutral once again. Like such. Let's do a couple revolutions, man. And this thing, see how we're pumping this thing? That's the way to use it for some reason. It's not very it's not very satisfying to use, I will say. But let's go ahead and take a look. We're really happy to have gotten that clog. All right, I'm going to put it back in forward. Neutral. I'm feeling good about that. Okay, guys. So I'm touching my damn camera with this, and yeah, not very cool. But yeah, we got that clog. So now we can take a look here. This is where it was coming up at. See the water puddling up. So this cost, because it's the 5/8 system, this cost $100 to rent with the extra $11 insurance. Probably saved a good $1,000 doing it, doing it ourselves. Yeah, what I'm going to do now is just quickly extract it back up. Let's take a look and see that flow. How to put the shower on, run the hot water. A little bit of flow. Okay. I'm going to continue to keep going upstream. Just want to make sure we're clear. Alright, so I got it all clear to my satisfaction. It's running nice and clear now. Got it running in the bathtub and hot water. I'm just going to go ahead and put that thing from forward, put it in reverse. Let's run it. And what that's doing now is it's extracting the actual cable back in to the this here coil. Okay. Yes, running nice and clear. That's what you want to see. So what I'm going to do now, put this thing back away. Like I said, I've got gloves, so I'm going to handle this thing raw. Disgusting, but it is what it is. I put bleach in it, so it's not the end of the world. Boom, that goes in there just like such. Okay. Now, grab the cable, wind it up. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Wasn't the funnest job to do in the world, but it was definitely exciting, saving those thousands and getting that thing done in a matter of minutes. We're gonna go ahead and do a part 2 with clearing the swapping out the pipe itself. But this is just going to be for a short-term solution, just to get them flushing and active. So here's the cap for the clean out. Just want to go ahead and screw this on good. It's flowing very well now, consistently, no backups. Well, they're not running it anymore, apparently. Right? Didn't ask them to turn it off.
Oh, sorry.
Did you tell him to?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Done.
It's good. I just wanted to make sure that. All right. All right.
I can ask him to do that.
No. I just thought that he did it with his own. His own,
I thought you were done.
Mm-hmm.
So I let it keep running.
There it is. That's that. Okay, it's hot, guys. It's a hot day. Grind all this thing back up. Beautiful day, but it's kind of warm in this bodysuit. Let's go ahead and pack up. All right, I just want to close off with just saying, this is a project anyone, maybe should, yeah, this is a project anyone could do. I've never done this before, and it was super overwhelming. There were quotes, you know, tens of thousands of dollars, things of that nature. So, like I said, that's for repairing the whole thing, but we'll get to that in a later date. But super easy to do, less than $100 expense. Probably took me 45 minutes to do. So I just want to do this. I wanted to shoot this video, you know, let the people out there know, don't get overwhelmed by these types of issues. They seem daunting and overwhelming, but they're not. It's not that serious. Like I said, now they've got ability to flush their toilet without creating a pond of water in the front yard. So that's really all I'm concerned with. And like I said, till I get back out here and swap out that section of pipe. Other than that, man, let me know if you guys have any other questions. If I was thorough enough on this video. Like I said, it's my first time using this thing. I had to do some research myself and figure out how to use it. But it's really simple, really user-friendly. And yeah, it's really fun, really exciting, man. Saving money like that is super exciting. Name of this video is going to be, before you call a plumber, watch this video. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.